If you've ever wanted to move your design from Figma into Framer without starting from scratch, this video is for you. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to import Figma to Framer step by step so you can take your design, bring it into Framer, and continue building your website faster. This is a super useful workflow for designers, developers, and creators who want to save time and keep their layout moving smoothly from design to live project. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is open Figma. Once Figma is open, go ahead and open the design file you want to bring into Framer. Make sure you're working with the correct project because whatever you select in Figma is what you'll be preparing for export. Take a moment to check that your frames, sections, and layout are all ready to go before you start the import process. Now that your design is open, head up to the plugins menu inside Figma. This is where you'll find a tool that helps connect Figma with Framer. In the plugin search bar, type Framer. As you search, you should see the plugin listed, and in this case, the one you're looking for is the Figma 2 HTML with Framer plugin. Go ahead and install it if you haven't already. After the plugin is installed, you need to activate it. To do that, go back to the plugin section and click the same plugin again. This will launch the plugin and get it ready to work with your current design. Once it opens, it should be ready to read the selected Figma content. Next, click on the Figma design element or frame that you want to copy for export. This is an important step because the plugin needs a selected design area to transfer. You can choose a single frame, section, or the layout you want to move into Framer. Once selected, the plugin will prepare that content for the import process. Now switch over to your Framer project. Open the page or workspace where you want to place the imported design. This is where the magic happens because Framer can receive the copied design and turn it into something you can continue editing right away. Once you're inside the correct Framer project, simply paste the copied content in. After pasting, Framer will import the design into your project. Depending on your layout, it may take a moment to process everything, but once it's done, your Figma design should appear inside Framer and be ready for further edits. From here, you can adjust spacing, reposition elements, and keep building your website inside Framer without having to recreate everything manually. If something doesn't look perfect right away, don't worry. It's always a good idea to double check the selected frame in Figma, make sure the plugin is active, and confirm that you pasted into the right Framer project. Small adjustments are normal when moving design files between platforms, especially if the layout is detailed. And that's it. You've now learned how to import Figma to Framer using the plugin workflow. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it can save you a ton of time when moving from design to development. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.